This time, we ought to be making, as a this time we have to be making this portion right over here, the windshield border or the frame, whatever you call it. Before you start to model any part of the car, just study the car over on the internet or through the blueprint so that you have a clear knowledge about it. Just follow my lead as good as you can. So from this vertice, we're gonna create the entire frame. So we're gonna start it right off from this corner. Since now it is well aligned, we're just gonna extrude it. Let's extrude it over to that spot from the right side. We're just gonna fix it a little bit. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna talk much. Just follow my lead, and I will just guide you where it gets trickier. In simple words, just extrude one vertice over from the top, then just align it over to the front and right. As you can see, this one ain't matching on the both the front and the right, so we have to come onto a middle ground. Just keep in mind that the curve over on the top of the frame is really important to make it as similar to the real one as possible, or just add to follow it uh, as close as you can with the blueprint. Otherwise, the frame base ain't gonna match, or the frame base is gonna look wonky. It's not gonna look real. So have six vertices over on the base, and then just simply align it over on the right side. So now it's time to fix this part over here. Which is fix it with selecting all of those vertices and just giving it an good SZ. Okay, so I think we might have to shrink the right side blueprint just a teeny tiny bit. There we go, just a little bit. Now it's fine. Since the right side was not matching with the front at all, this won't ruin your car's proportion. It's just a minute fixing here and there, which we're just simply fixing the blueprint misalignment. This is not a big deal. Since we have readjusted the blueprint over on the right side, we just gonna make the base over here again. Just just keep in mind that a simple 1920 difference with the blueprints can really ruin your whole project. So make sure that first of all, just make sure your blueprint is tight. And second of all, if during the process of the project you find that the blueprint is not good and they are not completely like perfectly aligned or just closely aligned, just do this like what I have done. Just shrink the blueprint or just widen the blueprint according to your needs, but be very careful with this. You can even break your whole work if you stretch it too much or just skew it too much. So yeah, be very careful about that. So we're just gonna go for some final elements and look at a 3D view. So the entire thing and just extrude it over on the z-axis. Let's go for yeah, point. Yeah, let's go for that. Now we're just gonna recalculate the normals. Turn on the sub D. There we go. Shear smoother, shear smooth as alert. Then we're just gonna fix the borders with simple Control R as usual. Good, good, good. It, it looks really good. Okay, now it's time to just sharpen up this part. Let's hide those. Let's hide those. C2, Control R. It's why the power over there just a little bit. It looks good. It looks good. It should hunch a bit over to the forward like that. Crazy, crazy. There we go. We're done with this part.